music. In the way of our hardships, we have tested our resilience. In fact, this group brings a powerful anthem celebrating healing, hope, and the unbreakable bonds that unite us all. Through their voices of passion, they remind us that even in our darkest moments, we rise stronger together. We choose light over darkness, and about an issue about greed and corruption. But nevertheless, we grow stronger because of the difficulties. Hindi pwedeng we always need that. Now, if you were to choose separation,
Magsilbing liwanag sa dilim. Liwanag sa dilim. Kapindong magiting ang bagong awitin. Liwanag! Oh! 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 Ang sinti nitong ilaw, walang ilaw. Salamat sa liwanag, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko.
Albert.
Salamat sa liwanag mo, muling magkakakulay ang Pasko. Just we have heard sweetly singing on the plains, and the mountains will reply, Jehovah, their joyous streets grow. Ayong galiti bisagasa, Pasko na! Ay sudadasal sa probinsya, Pasko na! Pasukaron mo sa magsadya, Pasko na! Ang lahay kong nauna, la 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 la. Uyak ka, kasadya, ipag kita. Ngunit kahit anong mangyari, ang pag-ibig sana'y maghari. Sapagkat si Jesus ang kasama mo, tuloy na tuloy pa rin ang Pasko. We wish you a